little artists. Today, we're diving into the glamorous world of makeup with a twist, a rainbow lip. Are you ready to unleash your creativity and add a pop of color to our canvas? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get your markers ready because we're about to sketch and draw some fabulous makeup sets that will make you feel like a beauty queen. Let's start with our first item, a pair of luscious lips. Imagine the perfect pout, and let's bring it to life on our canvas with a few strokes of our marker. Next up, let's draw a makeup box filled with all our favorite beauty essentials. Picture your dream makeup collection, and let's sketch it out together. Now, let's add some glamour with a classic lipstick. Choose your favorite shade, and let's draw it with all the elegance it deserves. And of course, no makeup set is complete without a trusty makeup brush. Let's sketch one that's fit for creating the perfect look.
Wow!
Our drawings are coming to life, but let's make them even more fabulous by outlining them with bold, sharp lines. Now, are you ready to add a burst of color to our rainbow lip? Let's grab our color pens and create a lip that's as vibrant as a rainbow. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Navy blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Maroon color. Brown color.
Awesome!
Lime green color. Pink color. Red color. Sea green color. Dark pink color. Light pink color. Ocean blue color. Bottle green color. color. Indigo color. Navy blue color.
Cool!
Violet color. Purple color. Pink color. Look at these fabulous makeup set drawings we've created together. I'm so impressed by your creativity, my talented artist. Keep shining, keep creating, and keep embracing your inner artist. Until next time on Toddlers Art Hub, stay glamorous and keep coloring your world with beauty and joy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.